your darkest times, are you all good? Are you alright? I'm in your neighborhood. For your darkest times, are you all good? Are you alright? I'm in your neighborhood. For your darkest times, are you all good? Are you alright? I'm in your neighborhood. For your darkest times, are you all good? Are you alright? I'm in your neighborhood. For your darkest times, when all you want is to disappear, searching for wisdom, but nothing's clear. What will become of me if you're not here? I know life is a mental place, but there's always fear. Are you all good? How you feeling? And we're all alone. I wanna whisper you something that you already know. Are you all good? Tell me how you feeling. Now we're all alone. I wanna whisper you something that you already know. Are you all good? Tell me how you feeling. Are you alright? Now we're all alone. I'm in your neighborhood. I wanna whisper you something for your darkest times that you already know. Are you all good?
Zuul was, it's crazy to come up with the name of that. It's a 1969 Mustang. We didn't have really a clue what we wanted to do with it when we bought it. I bought it from an old shop in St. Louis for $1,700, and it was just a shell of a car. And when we first got it, I really didn't know what I wanted, but I knew I wanted a Mustang, and I knew I wanted a '69 Mustang. I've always been movie themed, and when we came up with the name, it's kind of crazy to think about it. The third time's a charm, and I think about the movie Ghostbusters, and that's kind of what we came up with the name, and just calling it Zuul, because when you were a kid and you're watching Ghostbusters and all the hype was happening, and you're trying to find out who was Zuul, you had no clue what it was. You had no clue what it was going to be. It ended up being something you totally didn't expect, and that's really what this Mustang came out to be. It came out to be beyond my dreams, beyond our goals, and the car is just a blast to drive now. It's got all the amenities, the AC, the power windows, the power locks, the ride suspension, ride tech all over, the Bond Sport wheels. It's just a street machine that has all of the nostalgic look, but the modernization that everybody wants. And I just can't be